Everyone wants to get jacked, but most guys end up looking the same year after year. Not because it's hard, but because you've been lied to about how to actually build muscle. You keep hopping from program to program, grinding in the gym, yet nothing changes. And you've been told you need perfect genetics, train 6 days a week, and take every supplement just to see results. But here's the truth, that's exactly why you keep failing. Getting jacked is actually stupidly simple, and if I had to start over in 2026, this is exactly how I'd do it. No bullshit. Most people start in one of 3 ways: skinny, skinny fat, or overweight. And everyone makes the same mistake I see over and over. They never decide. They either kind of bulk or they kind of cut, and they keep hopping back and forth, never making real progress. So here's a simple guideline. If you're skinny, lean bulk. If you're skinny fat, cut first and then lean bulk. If you're overweight, just cut. Decide today, write it down and stick to it. Because if you don't commit to a phase, your body won't commit to changing. Now that you've decided your phase, let's break down how to actually do it the simple way with no bullshit. If you're cutting, eat slightly below maintenance. Aim to lose 0.5 to 1% of your body weight per week. Make sure to eat enough protein, about a gram per pound of body weight. And just train as hard as you would on a bulk. I'll leave a free calorie calculator in the description. Just plug in your stats and it'll tell you exactly how many calories to eat. And cardio is just a tool to help you hit your deficit. Walk, play sports, or a few zone 2 cardio sessions per week. Those are the best for fat loss. Focus on whole foods and slow, steady progress. Do not rush it. Dropping weight too fast costs muscle and will make you burn out. Because the goal isn't suffering, the goal is sustainability. Now for lean bulking, eat slightly above maintenance. Aim to gain 0.5 to 1% of your body weight per week. Eat mostly whole foods. Lean bulking isn't an excuse to eat junk, but a cheat meal here and there is fine. A bit of cardio can help keep fat under control, but never at the expense of your lifting, because that's where the real gains happen. Because here's the key, calories alone won't build the muscle you're after. You need the right stimulus in the gym to turn that extra energy into size, and that's where progressive overload comes in. Lift heavier, add reps, and push yourself every session. No gimmicks, consistency beats overcomplication any day. And here's the thing, progressive overload isn't just for bulking, it's actually how your muscles grow. Muscles don't come from supplements or fancy workouts or endless sets. It comes from stimulus and intensity. 1 or 2 hard sets taken close to failure tells your body we're not strong enough, time to build more muscle. Doing a little more over time forces your body to adapt. That's it. Stronger equals bigger. The problem is that most guys overcomplicate things. Too many exercises, too many sets, and too many days. That's when intensity drops and growth stalls. That's why I always preach intensity over volume. So here's a split I'd recommend for any training level. Upper lower 3 to 4 days a week. Each session has 5 to 7 exercises, 2 sets per exercises, 0 to 2 reps in reserve. No junk volume, no pacing yourself, just real stimulus. If you can talk mid-set, it's too light. Progression is simple. Pick a rep range. I recommend 5 to 8 reps per set. Start at 5, next session aim for 6, then 7. Once you hit 8 on all sets, add weight. That's it. Beat your old numbers and your muscles grow. No overthinking. But bro, shouldn't I be doing more reps? Only if you can actually recover from it. Extra volume past your recovery limit doesn't build more muscle, it just builds fatigue, diminishing returns. So unless you're on steroids, 2 sets per exercise is more than enough. Now if your goal is to look jacked and aesthetic, not just lift big numbers, focus on the muscles that actually give the biggest visual impacts. Shoulders, lats, chest, and abs. These muscle groups create the classic V-taper and give maximum payoff without wasting time. And finally, here's the thing most guys ignore. Muscles are stimulated in the gym, but they're actually built during recovery. Without proper recovery, all that effort in the gym won't translate to growth. Therefore, sleep is a non-negotiable. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. This is when your body releases growth hormone, repair muscle fibers, and adapts all the stimulus you've given it. Skimp on sleep and your progress stalls, no matter how hard you train. So here's the full system to getting jacked in 2026. Decide if you want to cut or bulk and commit. Train 3 to 4 times per week. Hit 2 hard sets per exercise. Progress your lifts every session. Eat simple, protein-focused meals. And finally, sleep 7 to 8 hours. Do not program hop and no excuses. Do this consistently for a year and you won't even recognize yourself. If you don't want to miss any no bullshit guides on building an aesthetic physique, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.